Good morning, this is Brandon with 24/7 Health. I am getting ready to eat my breakfast. First meal of the day is how I would suggest you look for it. Eliminate breakfast, lunch, dinner, these definitions, and just look at it as a meal. What is the most nutrient-dense meal I can put in my body right now for the rest of the day until about 6 o'clock when I stop eating again? One of my favorite things to eat in the morning is a salad. Load it up. You can put whatever you want in here. Cucumbers, carrots, a lot of times I put beets in here. Lots of fresh greens. I picked some fresh lemon and lime basil from my garden. I also put pickled red onions. I just came across a recipe to soak red onions in your favorite vinegar, which mine is this one right here. Blackberry vinegar this is a franchise called Oil and Vinegar. If you have one near you, I suggest you check it out. This vinegar is so delicious. So instead of putting oils and store-bought dressings, which are horrible for you, you should never put them on a salad again. Vinegar. I also love to use homemade hummus, and I can make a no oil homemade hummus as well with red pepper, with olives. You can make many types of hummus yourself. So make it count. It's a big bowl, right? Not a little normal bowl or plate that you get at the restaurant. This is actually even small. You can even make this bigger to make it count. You want to put the most nutrient-dense foods into your body every time you eat. So when you want to cheat or have a hamburger or a piece of pizza or some dessert, yeah, it's okay. Hey, life's too short to never have a piece of bacon again or an ice cream cone. That's why I just like to eat as good as possible 80% of the time. I'm also going to wash this down with my own juice. I make my own juice and I make extra so it lasts about 2 to 3 days so I can have it with any meal I want, maybe before a workout. I've got beet juice in this one. You can see it's pretty red. Beets, you want to get a good pump at the gym? Eat some beets or have some beet juice with your meals before your workout. Thanks for watching, 247health.com. Have a great day.